Good day everyone, good day to you sir. I am John Von Almocera and I'm here to discuss the answer for the number 8 from the problem set of the subject linear topo. So, ang number 8, it states nga if the omega is a non-empty subset of the closed interval 0, 1, this one, has a maximum. So, we have to show that this statement holds true. That is, the fuzzy set of A is less than or equal to the fuzzy set of B in the respectively in the cone, which is a type 4 inequality. And if and only if the maximum omega level set of A, the fuzzy set of A is less than or equal to the maximum omega level set of the fuzzy set of B with respect to the cone in type 4 inequality. Now, the proof is, say, let omega be a subset of the closed interval 0, 1, which is a non-empty subset having a maximum, say, alpha sub 0. So the maximum of the omega is alpha sub 0. Then the fuzzy set comparison relation type, which is the type 4 inequality with respect to the omega, is defined as this one. So by definition 2.2, as we can see in here. Next, so to prove the forward statement, so suppose that this one here holds true. So suppose that this one holds true, then in particular, by definition again, so definition 2.2, which is this one, since the omega say alpha is alpha sub 0 is which is the maximum of the omega, is an element of the omega, and omega is a subset of the 0, 1 closed interval 0, 1. So this implies that alpha sub 0 is an element of the closed interval 0, 1, and then that means that we can use alpha sub 0 as the alpha sub 0 level set. So by definition 2.2, diretso na siya nga mo-hold niya true. So that means that the forward statement is done. Next, for the backward statement, so conversely, assume that this one holds true. Since a sub 0 is the maximum of the omega, that means we can use just the alpha sub 0 lang para short. And if this is true, that is, this one holds also true. Since this is a type 4 inequality, we can use the definition of the type 4 inequality, which is kani. So we use this statement. So if we prove na this one is true, then we can say that kani siya is also true. So aron nga makuha na to tong backward nga statement. Next, we want to prove that for all alpha nga nasa omega, this one is true. That is, mo-holden siya ano. That is, since we are using the alpha level, kaya naka-alpha level man punta, then that should be A, the alpha level of A, of the fuzzy set of A, is less than or equal to the fuzzy, say this one, less than or equal to the fuzzy level, alpha level, the fuzzy set of B, omega times 4, type 4. And using this one, magamit na to itong definition sa 2.2 again, and then using definition 2.2 we can show this dayon. So if and only if statement mo to siya. So from this moagi ta diri, and then from diri dayon padulong din ta. So now since alpha is less than or equal to the alpha sub 0, kay si for alpha is an element of the omega here, and then si alpha sub 0 is the maximum sa omega, then that means for any alpha na nasa omega, they are all less than or equal to the alpha sub 0. Then from the monotonicity property of the alpha level sets, so monotonicity sa itong alpha level sets, if the alpha sub 0 is siyang pinakadako, and then alpha is mo ang gamay-gamay sila sa alpha sub 0, then na monotonicity, reverse ng monotonicity na mo hold this one, which is from the previous from the article. So that means the alpha sub 0 level set of the A, fuzzy set of A, is less than siya, is a subset of the
akong papa nga kung gihan kay
alpha sub 0,
pag-umabot gikan
alpha sub 0 sa alpha sub 0 is a subset of the alpha level set of the fuzzy set of A, and the same po para sa B. Next, let's say we have x, let x be an element of the intersection. So if we show that this intersection is a non-empty, then if the intersection is non-empty, then we can directly dayon nga mo state niya this, mo hold din siya nga to by the definition of the type 4 inequality. Now since the x is in the intersection, then x is in this one, this B, and then x is also in this one. So that means since x is in this one, and kanya siya kay subset man na yan sa we can say that x, then we can say that si x is an element pod sa alpha level set of the fuzzy set of B. So x is an element of the alpha sub 0 level set of the fuzzy set of B, and it is subset man sa alpha level set of the fuzzy set of B. Then we can say that x is also an element of the alpha level set of the fuzzy set of B. Next, here x is an element of the A plus C, since kaniman na statement, since this one here is an element, x is an element of this kaning term, so we can say that x is equal to A plus C, with A an element of this one, and this one is a subset of this, diba? So the alpha A is an element, this implies that A is an element of the alpha level set of the fuzzy set of A. Okay, next, where C is an element of the cone C. Now, so x is an element of the intersection, say kani and kani, I mean x is an element of the intersection of the alpha level set of B, of the fuzzy set of B, and the alpha level set of the fuzzy set of A plus the cone C. Kagaya na kay naka A sub 0 man to, and karon is naka alpha sub 0 man, karon is naka alpha na siya. Therefore, that this one here is non-empty since naman sila intersection. So since non-empty man siya for all alpha nga nasa omega, okay, for all alpha nga nasa omega, since alpha is an element, arbitrary element of the omega. So that means nga since na show man nato na siya, pwede nato makaingon nga this also holds true by definition of the type 4 nga inequality, which is this one. So that means nga si alpha level, the maximum, so the alpha, nato siya alpha din, the alpha level set of the fuzzy set of A is less than or equal to the alpha level set of the fuzzy set of B. And by definition 2.2, this is if and only if by definition 2.2, the fuzzy set of A is less than or equal to the fuzzy set of B with respect to cone and also this one. And that means that the backward statement holds true from assuming that the alpha level set, the maximum omega level set of the fuzzy set of A is less than or equal to the maximum of the omega level set of the fuzzy set of B, type 4. And the proof is done.